Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create your NYSC profile step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official NYSC registration portal at portal.nysc.org.ng. Make sure it's the correct website to avoid fake links. Once you're there, click on Mobilization Batch Registration if you're a new prospective Corps member. You'll see a button that says Fresh Registration. Click it and fill in your personal details exactly as they appear on your school documents. That includes your full name, date of birth, and matric number. Next, create a strong password. Enter a valid email and verify it when prompted. Then, upload a clear passport photo that meets NYSC requirements. No filters, hats, or glasses. If you studied abroad, you'll also need to upload your foreign certificates. Once all details are complete, double-check your information carefully before submitting. Finally, click on Submit, and your NYSC profile will be created. You can log in anytime with your email and password to continue registration, print slips, or check call-up details. Subscribe the channel for more videos.